Hello, my dear student. Today we will make revision on what was taken in quarter 4. So, are you ready to start? Okay, let's start. Okay, now let's see the first question we have here. We want from you to circle the two shapes that we used to make this new one. So if we look carefully here, we will see that we have 3 shapes. So which 2 shapes of that we use it to make this one? All what we have, just look carefully in the shape that we have. Then we will look for the shapes, the choices. Then we will see which 2 of that we use it. So the first one here we have triangle. Do we have triangle? We use it? Yeah, so let's make a circle. The second one, circle. Do we use circle here? No, we didn't. So we use the third one. So we use these 2 figures to make this new one. Get it? Great. Now let's see the second. Okay. Here he gave us this figure and he wants from you to circle the shape, the 2 shapes that we use it to make this one. So, do you think that we used the first one? Do we use triangle? Yeah, here we have triangle, so let's make a circle. We use diamond? No. What about this one? Of course not. And that? Yeah, we use it, so let's make a circle. Super. Let's see the next question. Okay, this one is so easy. Here, he wants from you. Use pattern, draw a line to show the parts. So here we will draw a line to show the parts. Here he asks you, show the 2 triangles. So we need to make a line to show the 2 triangles. Okay, so this diamond, we need to make a line to show these 2 triangles. So we will make the line from where? Super, we will cut it here from the middle. So let's make the line. Great job! Super, my dear. Let's see the next one. Okay, here he wants from you to show these 2 parts. So we will cut it from where to show these 2 parts? Come on. Yeah, excellent. I can hear you. We will make the line from here. Super, my dear. Great job. Okay, let's see the next. Okay, habibi. Here he wants from you to circle the shapes that show equal parts, okay? And we will cross out the shapes that show unequal parts. So where is the equal parts here? Can you tell me? Yeah, this is equal parts. Great job. What else, habibi? Come on. Excellent. That's equal parts too. Great job. Okay, habibi, what about this one? Do you think that we have here equal parts or unequal? It's unequal parts, so let's cross out. Why that? Because this part, it's not equal for that, right? What about this one? It's equal parts because each part of that equal to the other, okay? Okay, what about this one? Like we did before, we will make a circle around the shape that contain equal parts and we will cross out unequal parts, okay? So do you think that this one equal parts or unequal? Of course it's unequal. What about the second one? Come on, tell me. It's equal parts or not? It's equal parts. Great job. And this one? Great, it's equal, so let's make a circle. What about this one? It's equal or not? It's not, it's unequal parts because this one bigger than that, right? Great job, my dear. Okay, habibi, here he wants from you draw a line to show halves. Write the numbers. So first of all, let's draw the line that show half. Then we will write the number. Okay, so here we have how many? We have 1 whole. We have 1, circle, right? So it's one hole. Okay, now we want to show the hub inside the one. So let's make a line to show the hub. Okay, and here we have how many parts? We have two. So one hole equal to hub. Okay, great. What about this one? How many holes do we have here? We have one. Great job. Okay, now we want to draw a line to show the hub. So all what we have, just make a line here. Okay, how many parts do we have? Super, we have two. Great job, my dear. Excellent. So one hole equal to half. Okay, great, my dear. Let's see the next one. Here he wants from you, draw a line to show fours. Write the number. So first of all, let's see how many holes do we have here. We have one. Great. Okay, can you tell me how many fours inside one? First of all, let's draw a line to show the fours. Okay, so to show the fours we need to make two lines, so it will be like this one and that one. Great. Now can you tell me how many fours do we have? We have four, so one hole equals 4 fours. Super, super, super. Excellent. Now let's see the next question. Okay, here I gave you that and I want from you to tell me what's the number. If you look carefully here, each line of that contains 10 small squares, so each line of that represents number 10. Okay, so here it's 10, 20, 30, so we have 3 tens. And if you want to count the ones, we will count the smallest squares. So we have here 1, 2, and 3. So we have 3 ones. So the number here is 33. You got it? Okay, let's see what's the number here. We said, like we said before, each long line of that represents 10. So let's count together. It will be, we will count jumping 10, okay? So that will be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So we have 60. We will write it here, 6 tens. Okay? Now let's count the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 ones. So this number is 64. You got it? Let's make another number. Okay, let's see here. Like we said before, each line of that represents 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40. So we have 4 tens. Okay? What about the ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 ones. So this number is 46. You got it? Okay, we could count like this: 10, 20, 30, 40, or you can count, because this is ones, so we know that this line represents 10 and 10 equal 1 tens. Okay, so it will be 1, 2, 3, 4 tens, or you could say 40. Okay, now let's see this one. We have only one, so that will be 1 tens. Now let's count the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 ones. So the number here is 19. Okay? Now let's see the last one of this kind of questions. Let's count together. We have 1, you can count from up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 tens. What about the ones? We have only 1, 2. We have only 2, so it will be like this. Okay, so if I ask about the number, that will be 92. Okay, my dear? Great. Okay, this is very good and nice question. Here, he wants from you to compare the numbers using less than, equal, or more than. Okay? So first of all, let's see the number. In the left side, we have 152. On the right, we have 130. So we want to know which number is greater, or maybe the both number equal. So let's start from the left. 1, 1. Let's look before. Here we have 5, 3. So this number is bigger because 152 is greater than 130. Okay? Super. Now let's see the next one. In the left side we have 150. In the right we have 120. So what do you think? Which is bigger? 150 or 120? Great job. I can hear one of you tell me 150. Super. And if you want to be sure, let's see. Here we have 1, 1, 5, 2. So 5 is greater than. Super. Let's see the next. Here we have 148. The other side we have 189. So which number of that is the bigger? Yeah, 189. Why that? Let's make sure. Here we have 1, 1, 4, and 8. So of course 8 is greater than 4. So 189 is greater than 148. Super, my dear, super. Now let's see this question. Here we have 120. The other side 170. So which side is bigger? Can you tell me? Okay, let's see together. Which is bigger, 120 or 170? Come on, tell me. It will be 120. Let's see. 1, 1, 2, 7. So 120 is greater than 120. Okay? Super, my dear. Okay, let's continue. Wow, it's nice question. Okay, here he wants from you follow rule to complete the table. So you will follow the rule. So first of all, let's see the rule. What's the rule here? In the first question here, our rule add 3. So the rule here we have is add 3. Let's add 3. Okay, let's do it. So when we add 3 to 10, the result will be what? It's like 10 plus 3. So let's count after 10, 11, 12, 13. So when we add 3 to 10, we get 13. Super. Now let's see, when we add 3 to 9, we will get what? Great, that will be 12. Super. Okay, what about the next one? When we add 3 to 8, we will get what? Yeah, that will be 11. Super, my dear. What about the last one? When we add 3 to 7? Yeah, super. That will be 10. Excellent job, habibi. Okay, now let's see question number 2. Here, he wants from you subtract 3. So let's subtract 3. When we subtract 3 from 10, so it's 10 minus 3. 10 minus 3. Well, we can get the result in 2 ways. You can count after 3 until you reach 10. Let's do it together. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that will be 7. Or you can count it back. So it will be like that. Before 10, 9, 8, 7. So in both way you will get the same result, that's 7. You can use whatever you like, okay? Now let's see the second one. Subtract 3 from 9. When we When we subtract 3 from 9, we get what? Yeah, I can hear you. Great job. That will be 6. Super. Okay. What about the second one? When we subtract 3 from 8? Yeah, that will be 5. And the last one here, when we subtract 3 from 7, we get 4. Super, my dear. Okay, Habibi, here he wants from you. Start with 2 numbers. Track the line, circle the strategy you use. Write the numbers, find the sum. So here, what should we do? Well, we will see the line that he make it for you. We will follow these lines, okay? We will make circle around the strategy that we will use it. After that, we will make the sum and we will put the result. Well, let's see how we can do that. It will be much easier for you to understand when we solve it, okay? So first of all, let's see the 2 lines. He wants from you to make 7 plus 3. Okay, 7 plus 3 equal what? That will be 10. Okay, so when we make 7 plus 3, here we make what? We make 10, or we make doubles, or count on. We make 10. When we make the plus, we get 10. So that's mean, or that's called make 10. After that, we will write the other number, that's 4. Now let's make the plus in normal way. 10 plus 4 equal what? Come on. Yeah, that will be 14. Super. Now let's see question number 2. Okay, he wants from you to make these 2 numbers. He puts a line for you. 1 and 5. 1 plus 5 equal 6. Super. And we will put the other number. 6. Okay, here we have 6 and 6. So that's mean we make 10, doubles, or count on. Doubles, it's mean we will double the number, or it's like the mirror. Okay, we will write the number 2 times. Okay. So here we have 2 6, that's mean doubles, okay? Okay, now let's make 6 plus 6. What's the sum of 6 plus 6? Come on, count and tell me. I'm waiting for your answer. Great, that will be 12. Super, my dears. Okay. Okay, here he make a line for 7 and 1. So 7 plus 1 equal 8. Great. And let's write the other number here. 8 and 5. So when we have 8 and 5, here we make 10, doubles, or count on. We didn't make 10, we don't have doubles, so of course that's count on. Okay, now count. 8 plus 5 equal? Yeah, that will be 13. Great job. Now let's see question number 4. Here he make a line for 4 and 6. So guys, tell me 4 plus 6 equal 10, and we will write the other number here, 5. So here we make 10, doubles, or count on. Of course, when we get 10, so that's mean we make 10. Now let's see, 10 plus 5 equal? Yeah, super, that will be 15. Great job. Now he wants from you add, write the sum. Okay, so Habibi, here we have 32 plus 4. When we add numbers, or when we want to find the sum, we will start from ones. Okay, so we will start from ones. The first number, of course, it's called ones, the second tens. So let's make the sum. Okay, let's find the sum. 2 plus 4. Come on, let's count. After 4, 5, 6. So 2 plus 4 equals 6. Now we have 3, and here it's empty, so let's just put the 3. Okay? Now let's see the second one. Here we have 12 plus 7. Like we said before, when we add numbers, we start from ones. So 2 plus 7 equal 9. And we will drop the 1. okay, because here it's empty place. Let's go for the next question. Here we have 63 plus 25. We will start from ones. 3 plus 5. Come on, let's count together. After 5, 6, 7, 8. So 3 plus 5 equal 8. Then we have 6 plus 2. After 6, 7, 8. So the answer will be 88. Now let's see question number 4. Here we have 42 plus 34. We will start from ones. 2 plus 4. Come on, count and tell me what's the answer. I'm waiting for you. Yeah, 2 plus 4 equals 6. Then we have 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 equal 7. Super. So 42 plus 34 equals 76. Great job, my dear. That's great, really. Now let's see this question. He tell you that Lee shop with 3 friends, okay? With 3 friends. She went to buy each friend 3 hair clips. How many hair clips does Liz need? Okay. So she goes with 3 friends and she want to buy each friend 3. So that will equal what? We have 3 friends, right? Okay, like this. We have 3 friends. Each one will take 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So all what we have, just count. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So she needs 9 hair clips. Okay, great. Okay, now Habibi, he want from you, read the clock, write the time. So tell me, what's the time here? Okay, when we have the small hand on a number and the long hand on 6, that means half. Okay, so here the small number on 9, so that's 9 and half. Okay, and if you want to write it 9 half, that means we will write 30 here, so that's 9:30. Okay, but when we have the short hand on 2 and the long one on 12, that's o'clock. So here it's 2 o'clock, and if we want to write it, that will be 2, and we will put 2 zeros here. Okay, super. Now let's see this question. Here he gave you this table and he tell you our shirt colors. Tell you that we have red, yellow and blue. And he write for you here, each stands for one child. So each picture of that represent one child. So let's count how many children here wear red. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have in red we have 4 children. What about the yellow? 1, 2. We have 2 children. And blue? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 here. Okay. Let's see what he asked from you. He tell you that use the picture graph to answer the questions. Question number 1. He asked you how many children are there in all. So he counts about all. He wants from you to find the total children. All what we have, just make plus for these 3 numbers. So that will be 4 plus 2 plus 5. It will be a little hard for you to make the sum for the 3 numbers. So let's make it step by step. 4 plus 2. After 4, 5, 6. So 4 plus 2 equals 6. Then we will make it plus 5. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we have 11. So in all we have 11 children. Okay. The second question he asks you, how many children are wearing this one? So let's go here and let's search which picture like that. The first, the second, the third, the second, the yellow. How many children in yellow? We have 2 children. So let's write number 2 here. Okay? Okay, now let's see the last question we have today. Here he wants from you circle to answer the questions. Okay? The first question we have, which shape has 4 vertices? Which shape of that has 4 vertices? Let's count to know. What's the vertices? It's this point, okay? So we have 1, 2, and 3. No, it's not. We need 4 vertices. Let's count here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one has 4 vertices, okay? Let's see the second question. He asks you, which shape has 3 vertices? Let's count to know. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, it's not. We need 3 vertices. 1, 2, 3. So that one. Super. Great job. And now, Habibi, we finish our session. I hope you understand everything. So, see you next time, inshallah, and good luck. Bye.